Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this GoPro Hero 9. This GoPro Hero 9 is supposed to be like, I guess, the next thing coming out. It does have a 20 megapixel camera. Pretty cool. 5K, okay, just so you know, 5K. DVDs I want to say were like 1K when they were first coming out. 4K is your really high resolution. So this thing is going over to 5K. So this is 5 times better than the quality of a DVD. It has 33 feet or 10 meters that you can go underwater, which is pretty cool. It's voice controlled. It has 8 times slow-mo, which I thought was pretty nice. It has data overlay. It also has a time warp. It has, you can actually live stream this. You can actually do a 1080. This is 1080p is what I was talking about. This 5K. This is a 1080, which is 1000. This is 5000, right? But you can live stream at 1K. It has a super photo HDR. Okay, it also has the RAW format so that you can mess with the colors that much easier. It has a webcam mode and it's also touchscreen. But let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what's inside. I will have a link on the description below if you guys are interested in this specific package or a package that is similar to it. All right, so this particular package, for sure, it comes with this case. It's a pretty nice sturdy case at first impressions. Okay, it comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card. You're looking at your instructions. You're looking at your, I guess, your little guide in case you need it. The smell of new technology. I love it. Alright, you have this cable, your charging cable, of course, your mounting bracket. This one comes with 2 batteries here. Alright, so this is your base. This one goes in here to secure your base. A miniature tripod on this one. And the pied de resistance. Let me see what else is in here. There's nothing else in here. You got your little GoPro camera. Nice. Get these little babies out of the way. Get this one out of the way. Has a screen in the front, screen in the back, and then this is how you mount right here. You can mount this right here, right there. You got your little camera, and then you go ahead and you secure it with this thing right here. This little baby extends. Alright, so again, you have your carrying case. Nice little carrying case. You have your tripod here that extends. You have your adapter here. You have your GoPro right here. This one comes with 2 batteries. Alright, so each one of these batteries is, you're looking at 1720 milliamp hours. So you're looking at a total of about 3200 together. You have this, you have your charging cable. We're gonna go ahead and open this baby up and put our battery in here, and we're also gonna go ahead and put our memory card. This little flap is meant so you can pull it out when you need to. So the battery goes there. I'm gonna see how much memory this actually takes because I can maybe get myself 128 if I have to. The battery goes in here. There's a little very small little section that goes in there. All right, so you close this up. Turn it on. It probably doesn't, well, there it is. Turning on for the first time. And you just go ahead and you do your setup. It has a touch screen right here. Yes, I want you to tag where I'm at. Then I'm gonna go through the app to go ahead and install the app and go all that good stuff. But I'm gonna go over some of the features later on. This was just an unboxing, but while I have it here, I'm gonna turn this off for now. Okay, so in order to turn it off, you need to leave it pressed for a little bit, and it's saying it's powering off. What I'm gonna do right now is I do have an unboxing of this. I think it's called a Media Mod for your GoPro. This one is going to be very crucial if you're gonna want to go ahead and, if you notice, this thing does not have where you can mount or install a light, and the main reason I got this was because of that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that right now. This does have a little C port right here. You need to take this piece off right here. And I'm gonna insert it, make sure it goes in. All right, close that up. And because I did that, now I'm able to insert the stuff that I need here. So you're talking about your ports right here that you need for that. And the main reason I got this one was so that I could go ahead and install a light, something like this, to my GoPro. All right, so I can do a lot of recording with good lighting now. So that's always a plus right there. Let me take this off. Alright guys, so that was a very quick and it was a very quick unboxing of this GoPro. Now I know why they say what they say. If you are going to use this housing, this housing is not weatherproof or waterproof. So don't go and dump this in the water, because notice how I took this section off, which is the one for the battery. Because I took this off and I stuck it in here, now it's not waterproof. So if you are gonna buy this housing, which I'll leave a link on the description below, but if you're gonna buy this housing, just know that this is meant more for if you're gonna be recording, doing videos that are not near the water. If it is gonna be near the water, I would take this off and put this back on so you can take it with you everywhere you go. But always buy I guess the products that are meant. This is a GoPro product with a GoPro camera, because this makes everything just align the way it's supposed to. Stick this in here. We're gonna go ahead and put this here. We can secure it with this pin right here, and we're good to go. All right guys, this has been an unboxing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.